Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install a solar PV structure. The first thing that you do is you're going to measure a bigger one, which is 133, I mean 333 meter or 3 meter with 35 centimeter, and then you're going to measure all the things, footings, and then the second thing you just do the leveling for all the systems. So after that you can measure these two, the smaller one, the middle one, and there is a bigger one there. So you can see the difference between these three. So after you know the difference between this small and this medium, you will measure the difference here, which is 67. Yes, 67. And you go down. This one is bigger. So I go to 67. And then measure the difference. The difference between these two is 67. So I'm going to put this here on 67, as you see it here, and then just type it well, like this, and then when you see the level, as it is leveled like this is leveled like this one, so it's perfect. So when it is perfect, we're going to install the rest of the system by taking this as a reference. So as you see, we are just taking 5 references. So after we do those 5 references based on the first one, so we will install all the rest of the structures. So this is how you do the structure for a PV system. For the next time, I will see you. Hello guys, this is how we do for 204 solar PV panels structure. As I told you last time, what we did is we did leveling. After leveling, we erect these poles. As you see, this is a 15-degree tilt angle, and then we connect the pipes like this one, and then we lift the pipe up and pull like this one. So this is 402 and this is 402, so together it will be 204 panels. So the south faces in this direction. So as you see, this is the south face direction. So this is how we do structure for solar PV system. So you dig like this one, and then by leveling it, by maintaining its tilt angle, we're doing this way. So this is how we do structure for a PV system. Okay, after we install the structure, so we mount the solar panels in this way, and then we connect all the solar panels in a series form like this one, and then by combining the 17 together, we form like this one. Hello guys, this is what the breakers look like for a 204 solar panel. So we connect 17 panels together and give to the breakers. That means 17 times 12 is 204. So this is how it looks like, and these are the panels. this is how we do it.